Here's a laptop that's a PDF document, and if I double click on it, nothing happens. So why the PDF is not opening? Even if I use the keyboard's enter button, go there and press enter, enter again, nothing happens. Okay, so right click on the taskbar on an empty area and go here to task manager. Task manager. Now up here, go to details, click on details and sort it by name, down or up. And here we have a lot of acrobat.exe. So that program acrobat.exe is trying to open that document. Well, go onto the first one and press the delete key on the keyboard. It's not going to delete the program, it's going to close it. And press the enter, and a lot of instances already closed. Interesting. I closed just one. Okay, now try to open the document, and voila, it opened. Close it, open it again. Now it's working. So just in case your PDF is not opening, in Task Manager here on the Details tab, close the Acrobat.exe program. You can even right click on it and End Task, is the same thing as using the delete key. Or after selecting it, you can use this button down here, it's also End Task. End Task. Just close the Acrobat.exe and it should open.